Alright, so another meetup and team up for this episode. We were messaged by Sir Romel. We will meet up ngayon. So, sir, yan.
Thank you.
So that's from Mega Cove, sir. That's the best arm sleeve from Japan.
Okay.
Ayan. So
Thanks
thank you very much, sir, for messaging.
I hope we'll enjoy our game today.
We will definitely.
Yeah, okay.
Sige, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
See you
you.
later, sir. Just let me know, sir, what you think about the product, ha?
Sure, yeah.
Ayan. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome to another episode of a meetup team up. So for this round, playing with Sir Romel and friends. Yan, si Chris and also si Aldwin. Yan, so we're good morning and shout out. And shout out na rin. Yan, so we were playing here in Philippine Navy. So this is a meetup and team up with Chris. Brother, you want to introduce yourself to the channel? What you do, if you want.
Chris Australia, Client Services Manager from one of the Australian BPO.
Yeah, thank you, brother. All right, and we also have si Aldwin. Brother, welcome back to the channel.
Hello, hi.
You want to introduce yourself to the...
Aldwin. I'm with Asian Institute of Management.
All right, thank you very much, brother. So let's just enjoy this morning.
Sure.
Mag-meet up and team up lang kami ni Sir Romel.
Sige.
All right. So we're starting this meet up and team up, hole number 10 here in Philippine Navy. So again, this is just an open invitation to everyone. If you want to meet up, team up, yan. So also, if you don't want to do a 2-man scramble, 3-man scramble, you just want to play, you just want to join the flight. So please just message me. Si Sir Romel is a retired, he's already retired. He used to work daw pala from Dubai. So I'll have him introduce himself later. So he already received his Mega Cove sleeves. So again, shout out to Mega Cove and shout out to my caddy. Ayan. Ay pala, pakilala ko si Sir Romel. Sir Romel, he was the one who messaged me to meet up and team up. So we're not, hindi na po tayo sa scramble, practice na lang.
Oh, sige, walang problema. Kahit
na
scramble or practice, whatever. Kung anong gusto mo.
Sige, ready naman.
Yeah.
Tapos, ayan sir, baka you wanna promote anything yung sinasabi nyo kanina?
By the way, nag-online selling ako. If you want any clubs, so you can contact me. Or so sa ngayon may mga stock ako, which is I used to get all the clubs from Dubai. So if you're interested, just contact me. Or
Galing! Nice shot, brother. Nice. Sa puti po ba kayo?
pwede na rin.
Kapos? Patong pa rin, sir. Patong. Likod. Nice shot.
Patong din. Buti pala, wala tayong pustahan.
Nice shot.
There you go. Nice shot. Yan, Sir Romel, thank you very much again for messaging.
Yeah, thank you also.
Pero this is
you
not
invited me.
This is not your first time to play sa Navy.
No, it's not. Several times. Kaya lang, last game ko dito is maybe last February pa.
Oh,
Yeah,
of this year.
February, yeah. Oh.
Ah.
So after that, so siguro mga 3 games na lang ako nakalaro. And this is the 4th time now, since February.
Since February.
I played sa Army, and then twice sa William Ward.
Oh, nice.
I think, or 5th or 4th or 5th time ko na maglaro
Dito po sa Navy?
February
Of this year.
yeah, of this year.
Ah.
Yeah. But I used to play here. Yung kasama ko yung kaibigan kong British.
Ah.
Yeah, oh.
Ay,
Member
sir,
siya dito eh.
If ever gusto niyo, Sir Romel, yeah, we have a group naman sa I'll add you if you're interested. Pero
Yeah,
ganito
sure.
lang we just post the schedule tapos we play. Mga friends lang din na
Yeah, okay.
na friendly round lang
So
para
at least
practice lang.
yung dadami yung mga friends mo.
Yeah.
Diba? Network. Parang network, diba?
Exactly, that's the
Networking,
purpose naman yung
Oo.
for the group as well.
Yeah, okay.
Ayan, sir. So thank you very much. Let's just enjoy. We'll video the round.
Naisali mo ako.
Of course, thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Thank you for messaging.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Ayan,
Thank you.
And so another meet up and team up. So let's see. So ang goal na lang natin ngayon is to break 80. Parang the parcel challenge for Wena. Ayan. So again with Chris and si Ate Hazel, ang kanyang caddy. Tapos si Aldwin. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Bunker kagad. Very unfortunate 29 yards. Alam ko ng left to right to.
Go.
Sino tayo dun? Romel putting for his par. Pasok! Yes, mabagal. Oh, hindi bumali. Halos left inside lang. Okay. This is to go up and down for a par.
Hina.
Nice putt. Naku, mukhang mapapasubo pala kami sa putting Olympics. Okay. Good putt, sir.
Thanks.
Alright, so we have decided, kami nila Sir Romel, Aldwin, and also si Chris, starting hole number 11, magpa-putting Olympics na kami. Para naman merong para meron namang konting challenge ang ating content for this morning. So, if you don't understand putting Olympics, it's very easy. You get points every time you make your one putt. No, so whoever is the furthest gets the most points. So since foursome kami, the most points that you can get if you hole out is 5, pero if putting is 4. So it's good, it goes down na lang sa 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop drawing. Okay, so putting Olympics na kaming apat. So hole 11, 295 yards. If ever po, bago naman po tayo pumalo, sasabihin ko ano yung mga points natin. Tapos if may maka-hole out po from outside the green, +1. So 4 + 1. So 5 points.
Okay. Safe.
Para hindi mo sila sandbag.
Nice shot.
Right, so for my second shot, I'm left with 145 yards to the flag. Aim left. Hitting a 9-iron.
Uy!
Kabig! Ramdam kong kabig. Bunker. Sir Romel's second shot. Kabig din. Okay, pulled it left. Okay, Sir Romel to go up and down for his par. Galing. Nag-boost lang. Okay. Kami naman on the bunker. In the bunker. 16 yards. Ay, 16. Mga 10. Kami na. Ay.
Uy.
So 4 points ako. 3 si Sir Romel. Or ate, mas malayo ba kayo? Mas malayo yata kayo, Sir Romel pala. Kayo ang 4. No? Kayo mas malayo, no? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Ay, lakas! Wow!
3 points!
Do we have minus din ba sa 3?
Pasok din, 2 points! Mali yata mga hinamon natin. Good putt, Chris. Good putt, brother. Ganun din! Gagaling birdie! Par? Good par, brother. Okay, so 3-2. 3-2, 1. That's good, sir. Alright, so putting Olympic update. Grabe, yung sinabi niyo yung putting Olympics, lahat made one putt except lang si Sir Romel, pero mag-iinit pa yan. So hole number 12, yeah, go. It's 3-2-1, so ako 3 points. 2 si Chris, 1 si Aldwin, si Sir Romel none yet. So hole number 12, it's playing 148 yards to the flag. So I might hit another 9-iron. Draw. Kanan lang.
Kick left.
Oo nga pa. May water nga pa.
Patong, nice shot, sir.
Ayan, so with Sir Romel again. Sir Romel, thank you very much ulit.
Yeah.
Ayan, so he was able to receive his Mega Cove sleeve. Sir, what do you think of the Mega Cove sleeve?
Oh, excellent. It's so soft and you don't feel anything. Talagang parang wala kang suot.
Ayan, thank you very much again, Mega Cove. Ayan. Ang sabi ni Mega Cove, Sir Romel, nakakagaling ng short game yan. Ang Mega Cove. Ang mga nagsuot dyan ng kahapon nung binigyan ko ng Mega Cove, hole out eh. Ayan, so no pressure naman kay Sir Romel.
Okay.
Ayan, Mega Cove daw improves your short game, sabi nila Luis.
Ako, mangyari nga.
Ayan, okay. Makikita natin sa Olympics. Alright, thank you very much again, Sir Romel. Okay. Alright. So again, thank you guys for watching. We're on the road. The goal by the end of the year is to reach 5,000 subscribers. So if you can help me subscribe, hit that like button and also smash that subscribe button, that would mean a lot. So again, thank you very much. See you at the fairways.
Go. Go.
1 point. 4 points si Sir Romel. Aldwin is putting for par and for 3 points. Si Chris is putting for 2 points and also for par. Si Sir Romel is putting for birdie. Ito wing. 4 points. 4 points. Good putt, sir. Good putt, good putt. Putting for his par and for 3 points. Sakto lang. So si Chris for 2. Kabig. Parang kinain din ang damo. Sino yung kabig?
Ako.
Ay, mahina.
naman.
Ay. Oh, lamig. Good putt, sir. Muntik pa, babali pa pala yun. Okay, hole number 13. Currently, I am still 1 over, 489 yards. Lahat ng bunker, pinuntahan ko na. So, putting Olympics, I'm now at 4 points. Chris is at 2. Aldwin is at 1. Tapos Sir Romel, none yet. Ganda. Perfect cut. Good shot, brother. Ina-extend.
Nariline ako na.
Sa take away pa lang. Oh, pares tayo. Yun yung ano ko dun eh. Okay lang, sir. Brother, favor naman oh. Okay lang. Nakapula ng
Nice shot.
okay, what a another pulled tee shot. So, yeah. Doing just course management, hitting a 6 iron. Hopefully, sa fairway before the water. Huwag ka sa bunker. Hindi naman ano?
Parang hindi aabot yun, sir.
I got married 30 years old now.
Parehas. Okay, Sir Romel left with 150 yards for his third shot to go up and down for birdie. Ganda! Short lang. Go! Okay.
Mas maganda na yung ganyan yung
Okay, for
kaysa pababa.
Okay, Aldwin around 145 yards to the flag to go up and down also for his birdie. Kick right. Ay, kaliwa lang. Over the bunker. Sa kaliwa. Ay. Left with 114 yards to the flag for my third shot to go up and down for a potentially birdie. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Sa may puno, ano?
Opo. Go. Go. Take right.
Short. Okay, for putting Olympics, I'm putting for 4 points and for birdie. Tapos susunod si Chris with 3. Ang layo nung kay Sir Romel, 2 points. Tapos si Aldwin is in for, hindi pala in. He's for, putting for 1 point.
Tunog pa lang.
Alright, so Chris putting for birdie and for 3 points. Sakto yan. Lakas din pala. Teach me! Yan ang magandang speed. Okay. That's good, sir. That's good. That's That's good. That's good.
Nice one.
Thank you. Nice putt. Okay, 1 point. So currently 4 ako, 2 kayo parehas. Kaya nga, pero 2 pang second point. Okay. Chris 2 points also. Sir Romel, none yet. Alright, hole number 14. That was a good up and down for par. At least a good par. So still currently 1 over. So I'm currently leading sa Putting Olympics. Ganda. Cut pa. Ay, draw pa. Okay yan. Perfect. Nice shot, brother. Ganda. Ay, too much. Stop. Stop cutting. Laki ng cut. Biglang bagsak yan. Nice shot. Beauty. Nice shot, sir. Brother, okay.
Wow.
Easy ah.
Longest drive.
Chris. Short game nga lang talaga, Chris. Aldwin second shot. Ay, nag-cut lang. Okay, so left with 128 yards, almost 130 against the wind. So hitting a pitching wedge to go up and down for birdie. Come on.
Target mo yung nag-ano siya na, naggugupit. Naggugupit, sir. Ako ang caddy mo.
Naggugupit ng buhok sa kilikili. Ay, nagkanan naman. Hindi naman nag-draw. Over the bunker. Layo. Kanan. Patong pero nasa kanan. Okay, Chris. Just outside. Potentially for 5 points. Pati si Aldwin pala. Ayan, Aldwin. Behind the trees. Bite. Sobra. To go up and down for birdie. Mahina nga. Par. Olympian! Ayan sir, Olympics pa rin yan. Go. Okay. Malamang 4 points naman ako. Tara, pat na tayo. Okay, so far si Sir Romel is in for 1 point already. So 1 na siya. 1, 2, 2. So, pero si Chris is putting for 3 points and for his par. Mahina lang. That's good, brother. On feel. Kasi uy, sayang. That's good. Si Bryson, 'di ba? Sinasabi niya, this is how many steps? This is ganyan. Nilalagyan niya ng science not only on feel. Ang pro nga hindi sila naman if it works for you, 'di ba? Ako naman may feel lang ako na hanggang dito lang dapat yung take away ko ng 6. Parang what I can duplicate. Pero hindi ko binibase sa inches. May feel ba rin siya?
Meron. Nice. Stay. Still good. May basis ka na.
Basing on your... Uy, kumanan lang. At least ngayon, educated na rin ng konti yung feel mo.
Correct.
Diba?
Go ahead, sir. It's a mind game. Golf is a mind game.
Oh, confidence talaga. Going for it. Going for it. Come on. Go. Kick right. Hindi ko nakita. Okay. Try to cut the ball na pababa. Actually, inventong tira lang tong gagawin ko. Mag-iimbento ako ng medyo pa-punch tapos pa-cut with the 4-iron. Bahala na. Sumabit.
Ah, bunker.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Napakat ko naman pero I'm left with for my third shot to go up and down for a potentially birdie. 50 yards left to right. Siguro hitting 30 yards na pitch. Ay, sobrang kaliwa. Bite. Maling puno pinuntahan eh. Sobrang kaliwa. Pero, bite. Hi ka naman Ate Hazel, di ka nakapag-hi sa channel. Ayan, hi, shout out. Yan, so potentially for 5 points si Aldwin. Right to left way na, no? So may putol. Yung sa kanan na putol o yung sa kaliwa? Ah, so ganun lang kaliit. Okay. Hindi ka na hanap. Ayan, 1 point. So ako, 4. Lakas, ang bilis. Ang bilis pala talaga. Par. Okay, Sir Romel for 3 points. Oh, that's good, that's good. Bogey. Chris, patting par ka, bird? Patting bird? Ayan na pala. Birdie and 2 points. Birdie! Nice bird. Okay. Oh! Alright, so hole number 16. Currently, so Olympics 4-4-2-1. Then I'm currently 1 over pa rin. Ano naman hindi ako kumakain. Kanan lang. Wow, bunker.
That's nice.
Backspin mo pa rin.
Ah, nag-backspin pa.
Ay.
Nice one. Abot. Abot. Yun! Galing! Thank you. Ay! Maliwa. Compensating masyado. Ayun na lang. Parang safe pa rin naman yata yung pre.
Ganda, Aldrin.
That's nice.
Go! Go!
Go!
Uy, nasa labas na naman ako.
Okay, Chris outside, just inside the bunker to go up and down for his par.
Nice out.
Nice out, brother. Aldwin for potentially 5 points. Dinadonker kami. 5 points. That's good. 1 point. Good chip, brother.
Wala na yun.
Ang laki pala talaga. Hindi ako naniwala kay Wayne.
Anak ni Sir yan.
Okay, Chris for par and 2 points. Sino mas malayo? Siya ba mas malayo? Ito, diba? Mahina. Hazel, sino mas malayo? Kayo o kani? Si Sir Romel? Hindi, okay lang. Para sa Olympics lang. Ito, no? So, 3 points. For 3 points yan, Sir Romel. For 3 points and birdie! Ay, sayang. Alright, so... Hindi, 166 lang. Front pin. Okay, 100. Ay, 100.
Tingko ngayon.
17th hole.
Ngayon.
Playing 166 yards.
Up. 4. Left.
Go. Bye. Buti nagpa... Oh, tamo sa ano talaga yan eh. Sa Mount Brother eh. Parehas tayo eh. Naka ball above our feet tayo eh. Yun! Patong naman yata, sir. Ay, nga, short. Tama na.
Nakawala akong 5 eh. Iwan ko pala sa bahay.
Sir Romel to go up and down for his par. Just right before the bunker. Ganda. Pero hindi pa bite eh. Okay. So ako naman, 20 yards. Oops! No green to work with. 20 yards to the flag. Ano ulit? Kaliwa, di ba? Left, right. Try to get nippy.
Ay!
Ay.
Masyadong malambot.
Nice. Lapit.
Tinulungan mo pa rin eh. Pero okay na. Pero pinabagsak mo naman, di ba?
Yun.
Mahina!
May nalang. Release pa lang. Alam ko na may nakabig ko kaagad. Alam na ng baka.
Mahina, brother.
Mahina naman nun, oh.
Uy! Di bumali!
Wala nakakuha ngayon lahat, no?
No?
Wala. No blood.
Sa dulo ko. Umikit lang sa butas.
Di bumali. Naku! Na B2B ulit. So hole 18, that was a very unfortunate double bogey. I am now 3 over. Go! Four? Ay, okay lang. Okay lang. Good shot, brother. Safe yan. Four! With 230 yards to the flag, hitting my hybrid.
Oy!
Okay, topped my second shot, left with 140 yards to the flag, hitting my pitching wedge.
Nice shot, sir.
Okay, Chris, to go up and down for bogey na yata to. For potentially 5 points. Ay, sayang lang. Parang a foot or 2 short lang. Pero perfect sana. Bad break lang. Okay, Sir Romel, potentially for 5 points. Bite! Okay, so I'm putting for 4 points. Alduin is 3. 2 ka, Chris. 1 Sir Romel. 8 paces left. Hindi bumali, Wensky.
Mahina, sir. Talaga babali yun.
Three points. Babali yan bigla. Ay! Ang sakit naman nun. Aray ko po. Sa ano yun? Sa bugbog ng cup. Kasi nakalubog.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Oo, kaya hindi siya nalaglag eh. Doon siya dumaan. Doon siya gumanon. Doon siya naglip eh. 2 points. Mahina, brother. Uphill eh. For 1 point. Lakas. Nafitik. Alright, start of our second 9 sa hole number 1.
Ay, ko, lalagpas ka. Uy! 4!
Actually, yun, ganda. Perfect cut. Good shot, sir. Sa takeaway ko, actually sa... Okay, Sir Romel, second shot. With this 3-wood. Medyo na scoop.
Behind it. Behind.
Okay lang. Alright, so second shot. Left with 260 yards. Hitting a 3-wood. Bahala na.
Kiklep. Kiklep.
Or halos diretso na lang. Hindi, kaliwa. Okay. 24 yards to the flag. Landed sa bunker. Hopefully, hit it close for my first birdie. Up and down for birdie. Nice shot, Chris. Eagle, baby! O, 2 points pa sa'yo kung sakali.
Mas malayo siya. So tama ka, oh. Mas malapit ka ngayon.
Oh, so 1 point yan. 2 pa si ano.
Oo, tama yung idea. Malakas lang.
Okay. Aldwin. For 5 points. Ayun na yung sinasabing 5 points! Oh, di ba yan yung malalapit? So mas maganda ipapat natin kasi...
Sukatin nyo na.
Oo. So pitingnan natin yan. Ito yung flag na lang. Flag. Flag na lang, sir.
Ayan, mas malayo yun. Ito.
4 ka, Sir Romel. Sino yung second? 3? O, 3, 2, 1 pa ako. O, yan. Pasok. 4 points. Okay, lead. Naku ka! To take the lead. Oh!
Yun.
1 point and birdie.
Nice.
Oh.
Yan. Turo sa amin ito.
Paano, Sir Romel?
Butch Harman.
Yun. Oh, totoo. Oo. Okay, well, number 2.
Bibigay sila ng lesson. O, ganyan gawin mo.
Nandun naman kasi talaga yung power sa core. Oo, sa hips.
Yun
Gusto mo?
ang ko sa...
Sir Romel, hindi naniniwala si Wayne.
Oo, yun.
Hindi, totoo yun. Sa hips talaga.
Kay Butch
Okay,
Harman
well, number
sa Dubai. Grabe, ganun yun. Butch Harman.
Stop drawing!
Oh my God! Nag-draw. Tanggalin mo yung baril mo, bro. Yun. Oh,
Ay,
paano yun?
bleed lang, right?
Kakatagal, kakaano.
Okay, ayun.
Safe.
Balik, cut.
Hey, sir.
Ayun.
Balik. Balik ba?
Nice!
Ano yan? No shot! Okay, we will experiment. The pin is here. So the line is either draw it or hook. So I'll try to hook a 4 iron. Mga 200 yards pa. Draw! Kulang. Okay na rin. Diretso. Okay, landed right off. Short end right off the green. So left with 36 yards. Tirang 30, right to left. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa? Ay, kanan yan, Mayana.
Kalahating clock.
Kalahating club.
Uy!
Ba't natsutsukol ko ngayon? Aldwin, potentially for 5 points. Hindi yata pwede mag-lip. Wala talaga ang babagsakan. Okay, so okay, 4 si Sir Romel, 3 si Aldwin, 2 si Chris, ako 1. Hindi pwedeng laylay pala. Paakyat ano? Akyat ba ba? Short. That's good. Ganda. Mahina, lumaylay masyado. Alright, so that was a very terrible double bogey. So no movement sa aming Olympics. Hole number 3, it's playing 182 yards. Slightly against the fan. And walang gulong. Might hit a 6 iron. Hole in one mo na, baby! One time! Ganda ng linya. Ay, funky.
Kick right. Kick right. Safe yan, pero.
Go. Go. Over mo ng bunker.
Too much draw sa aking tee shot. Pin high sana. Left with 17 yards. Right to left. To go up and down for a par.
Bye.
Okay. 1 point.
Yun naman pala eh.
Push.
Go!
Point.
Point, safe.
Nice spot, brother. Grabe. 6. Yung pa.
Ay!
Oh, okay. Hole number 4, 324. So leading na. Leading na si Chris with 8 points. Tapos ako 6. Tapos tied na si Romel and si Aldwin with 5. What a beauty! What a beauty! Hindi nga nahintin talaga to.
Yun, nagalit oh.
Nice shot, brother.
Hindi ka nanibago.
Parang sabi ko, I'm using
Nice!
kahit na
Thank you.
sana hindi ako FOMO. Sana FOMO ako sa maswak.
Sana stinger yun. Stinger. Speaking of short track, yun natin.
Alright, so left with 75 yards.
Tama lang.
No.
Tama yun.
Ay, short. Sayang. Good idea. I need to punch out a pitching wedge. Kung saan yung bola niya, di ba? Yun yung aim. Tirang 70. Ay, tirang 50. Ay, wala. Kapal.
Kiyat.
Salamat! Wala. Masyado mahina. Walang chance. Kailangan ko iangat dito. 7 paces. Wala talaga. Mahirap talagang pigilin yun. Lakas pa rin, no?
Tigil ba yung cheaper?
Okay, Chris. Hirap ng pin placement kasi. Ni greenskeeper. Wala rin, lakas din, no?
Lakas din.
1 point pa yata yung akin. Wala, hirap, okay. Okay, so 4 si Sir Romel, 3 si Aldwin, 2 si Chris, 1 ako.
Kumana na kaagad oh.
That's good, that's good. Aldwin. For 3 points, mahina pa yata eh. Mahina pa oh. That's good, brother. Kulang pa sa kaliwa. Mabilis na yata pag lagpas doon ah.
Nice.
Tama ka, Wayne. Sorry, change card.
Yeah?
Naglalaro mga damit ako.
Okay, hole number 5. No movement sa aming Olympics. Go. Ganda. Go. Go. Patong. Pero sa mga gitna lang. Okay. So Romel, just outside of the green, This is to go up and down for his par. And potentially, this is for 5 points. Ang ganda. Maganda. Okay, 1 point. Okay, 1 point sir. So 4 si Aldwin, 3 si Chris, 2 ako, 1 si Sir Romel. Okay, Aldwin for 4 points. And for birdie, kaliwa, kulang. Practice na lang, okay na.
Pati talagang strict.
Ang lakas. Ang lakas. Kulang eh.
Lumayo ba yung bola mo pala?
Chris for his par. Ay, B2B ulit. Naku! Okay, 1 point. Parang bitin eh. Okay, 1 point. So tie na kami. So Chris still leading 8. Tapos kami dalawa ni Sir Romel 6. 5 si ano. Parehas po tayo sir.
Par, no? Thank you.
Tapos si Aldwin ay 5. Alright, hole number 6. Dog leg left. Stop cutting. Okay lang yan. Perfect yan.
Kala ko nagpa-practice pala.
Gawa sila ni
Ay,
Dog.
baka naka-record yung alis mo yun ha. Oh! Lisot!
4! 4!
Hey, willing to donate a golf ball. Very difficult attempt to go for it 100 yards with my 60 degree. Try to go over the tree. Bahala na.
Yakang-yaka. Tongkats. Next Olympian.
Pero naangat.
Galing.
Sir Romel for his, I assume, third shot. Ganda yata yan. Ay, wala. Binagsakan yung rough. Okay. Huwag mo itatalon. Huwag kang tatalon, sir. Maglalaro pa tayo. Ibang Olympics yung gagawin ni Sir Romel. Kaya naman talagang talonin. Ang tanong lang kung aabot. Tinalon nyo. 10 years ago. Oo. Pero hindi ko gagawin. Pero kaya. Hindi. Okay, potentially for 5 points. Okay, left to right. Left to right, no?
Apo. 5 points! Ay!
Ba't 3 wood na lang yun?
Sabi mo sa shooting.
Uy!
Ay, bala!
Pasok. 5 points sana.
Oh!
Sayang.
Take.
Na baby ano? Parang Sir Romel for par and for 2 points.
Ay, kumaliwa ka agad.
Pasok!
Wow, konting pa.
Nilabas ko kasi ng konti dito. Alright, so Putting Olympics. Tied si Chris at saka Sir Romel with 8 points. I'm now at 7. Si Aldwin is at 5. Mali yung nakuha ang pamalo. Mali yung intindi. Mali yung usapan namin ni Weng. Dapat 6 iron ako dito. Na tig 3 wood. From the phone, tapos i-upload mo lang dun sa ano. Hindi na, diretso na from phone. Yung sequence na ilalagay mo lang dun doon. Automatic na siya. Tapos putol-putulin ko na lang yung mga before and after. Okay, left with 145 yards to the flag. Hitting a pitching wedge. Kahit play it short. Short pa rin, no? Short ba? Left to right, diba? Mabilis. Ay, malaki yung binigay ko.
Lakas pati sa...
May ginagawa yung mga squirrel, Wena. Ay! Naku, pasok. Okay, 1 point. 3 points pa ako. 2 C.
Ay, nagpo-push.
Ang
Nakaling tapat, init-init, may ganyan.
Ano, nakikita mo yung squirrel?
Squirrel. Bakit hanggang nagbabanatan?
Hindi rin bangan.
Hindi yata. Pero katawa yung tanong eh.
Grabe talaga yung mga babae. Ang katalas ng mata nyo. Pagkat sa ganyan.
Anong susulo yan?
Kumaliwala na kaagad.
Lakas.
Oo.
Mapitik. Sayang 3 points. Ang palakas yung putt ko. Nice putt. Aldwin for 2 points. Parang standing 9 si Sir Romel, 8 si Chris, 7 ako. Naku! Nakitang-kita na kabig mo, brother. Na pull. Oo. Number 8. So Olympics namin, it's 9 si Romel.
157.
8 si Chris, 7 ako, 5 si Aldwin. So it's playing 157 yards. I'm hitting a 9 iron. Kaya una na ako. Bueno, pahawak naman ang phone mo.
Kala ko si tata nga.
Idol, shout out mo si Idol. Alam mo bang 6,000 na yung kalokohan mo?
Kinakatay kami, boss.
Ha?
Kinakatay kami.
Ganyan ho talaga yan.
Sabi niya, 600 daw siya. Ay! Buka!
4 right?
Ay, kaliwa naman.
4 left!
Kaliwa. They're gonna stay for a little snap. 4!
Yung. The Romel to go up and down for par. 4 points pa ako. Ay! Kung sino mas malapit. Tapos Chris just landed over the green. Naku, walang bite. 4 points si Sir Romel. I'm putting for 3 points and for birdie. Tapos si Aldwin is 2. Si Chris is 1. Pasok! 4 points na naman!
Go.
Mabagal nga ng konti.
Pasok. Mali.
Ay! Nanakot pa sa 2 points. Gusto mo yung malalayo, ayaw mo yung malalapit.
Oo nga. Yun o, pasok.
Pasok mo naman, 1 point pa. 9 all. Oo. Nice putt.
Okay.
So, ang leader natin, Chris.
Yes.
Tama?
Wow.
With... Ay, di. Nagtay yata. Sorry, 9 pala kayo. 9. Ako 7. Si Aldwin, 5. 5 points ang pinamigay ni Aldwin.
Oo nga, namigay niya ang
Leading ka sana 10. 10, 9, 9. Okay. So, hole number 9. 5-1. Last chance to make points. So, currently for my break 80, the parcel challenge. Ilang over tayo, Wena? 7 pa rin pala, 7. Mukhang makukuha ni Wena ang parcel niya. Unless mag triple bogey.
Naman.
Behind. Oh, maliwanag.
What?
Doon ko din natin. Ayun, bumalik. Ganda!
Left. Nice shot, sir. Bite. Uy, ang lakas.
Ay, lakas
Ang
naman.
lakas.
Hina kasi. 5
Yan
points.
na. Par.
Mahina.
Ilan kayo, eh?
That's good, brother.
Galing.
4 points pa. Bumali sa dulo.
Mali lang.
Lakas lang.
Thank you.
Mahina, Sir Romel na baby. Pero makasaglit. Brother, nice playing with you again. Thank you very much. Sa ulitin. Thank you very much. Sir Romel, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah.
Of course, I'll get your number mamaya, sir, para ano. Sana we can add you to the group. Of course. Shout out kay Jepoy. Alam mo saan yung player mo ngayon? Saan nag-aaya? Saan ba siya nag-aaya? Greenfield yata siya ngayon. Ayan, shout out. Camera ni Wena. Yes. Linaw, oh. Ganda. Nice shot.